Welcome to Rather Be Outdoors. Today guys, we're going to go over the Little Caesar survival kit. Before we get into that, just want to let you know that we have a very big project video coming up, I believe on this Wednesday. So in 2 days, I'm going to be uploading a video of a very large project I've been working on. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I look forward to it. So make sure you guys check it out. And yeah, let's get into this. Today we're just going to go over a very small little kit. This is the Little Caesar survival kit. This is pretty much their marinara sauce cups in my part of the States. And we put a little bit of kit in there. And yeah. Alright, for coverage, we have a wrapped up trash bag with some trash ties around it. This is great for either keeping you dry, water collection, or even putting a whole bunch of leaves in here and putting down some bales or whatnot, or whatever you can get. Making a little sleeping bag out of this. Keep you nice and warm. Here we have a packet of Heinz yellow mustard, just for a little bit of a boost. Something to snack on. We also have I believe this is the winter mint. I might be wrong, but I believe that's the one. And we also have a water activated towelette. These are great for hygiene, first aid, water filtration, and you know, marking trails or whatnot. You rip off a couple strands, even fire starting if you really needed to. And for cutting, we have a razor blade and this piece of cardboard, just wrapped up nice and tightly. You can go ahead and cut some stuff out of you, cut some rope, mark some stuff on a piece of wood, do whatever you really need to. You can cut up a fish. For fire starting, we have a UCO Stormproof match pack. These are great for starting fires in damp environments, so just less than likely you're just going to need one just to get it going. Pretty much like little sparklers. For signaling, we of course have the Micro Flash, our Micro Series Star Flash signal mirror. Our plastic is coming off there, sadly, after all these years. And we also have a whistle. This is the Acme Tornado Whistle. If you guys don't know about these, if you look up Acme Tornado Whistles, you have a great selection, very good prices on these. And they're very cool, and they're very durable. For navigation, we have our button compass. Very basic compass. We also have a sewing kit for either first aid or gear repair. We have a needle, 2 safety pins, 2 buttons, and 5 different thread. As well as a pocket fishing kit. This has our snap-on sinkers, where you can just smash them onto your thing if either a rock or a log. You have some hooks, you have some leads, you also have your reel with line on it. And that is the kit, guys. Let me know what you guys would add or what you guys would take out and replace with, how you guys would set it up, make it better. I always love hearing you guys' responses. And again, stay tuned for Wednesday's video in 2 days. It should be a banger. I'm very excited about it, and I hope you guys are too. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.